Alright, Samoan pronunciation compared to English is straightforward. There's no silent letters and all that kind of stuff that we do in English. What you see is what you get. So rule number 1, you must pronounce out every single letter. Let's start with the consonants. Most of the consonants sound the same way in English as they do in Samoan. You can remember them by reciting these right here. Fa, nga, la, mo, nu, bi, sa, ti, vi, he, ke, ro. Now if you notice the G, I said nga, like an NG sound. Nga, as in fangu or anganga. You'll also notice some Samoans say the N that way as well. Instead of mafanafana, like warm, they'll say mafangafanga. You'll also notice the T might sound like a K. Instead of T, it'll be ki. Or instead of ta'avale, it'll be ka'avale. People have different explanations of when to use the T and the K, but just remember, if you start with the T, then use the T all the way through. Just don't go back and forth between T and K style. The other letter to notice is the R, as in Maria. Instead of Maria, people say Malia. Or instead of taro, people say talo or kalo. Just depends on who you're talking to. Now the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. A, I, O, U. Practice that. When vowels are connected, they kind of blend together, but you still have to sound them out. Like a and an E. A, I, like vae. Use the A, I, O, and U to make vowel combinations and try to sound them out. And then 2 important symbols that you really don't see online too much are the Mammapha and the Taofi. The Mammapha takes the vowel and it stretches the sound. Instead of Samoa, it's Samoa. Instead of the name Tina, if you say Tina, that means mother. And then the Taofi is also called a glottal stop. A lot of times when you see 2 vowels back to back, you'll see the Taofi in the middles, like fa'a or fe'e. Or it can happen with any combination of vowels like la'u and lo'u. Or Taofi can even start a word like oti or ita or e, as in you.